Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing something completely different, but not really different. But so many of my close friends and family asked for me to do a makeup tutorial, so that's what I did. Before you watch this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you like these types of videos, let me know in the comments down below. As always, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. And if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, then keep on watching.
Okay, hair in a bun. Big forehead. Got it. Tarte. Put a little Tarte up there. Okay, spread it out. Spread it out. Okay, you gotta put it around them eyelids, and eyelashes, and you spread it. I thought I was supposed to go over your eyes. Why she putting her way over her face?
That's good.
Okay. Trying to make the eyebrows look a little sharper. Okay, we got fit something. Okay, she's putting some more shit up there. Now y'all girls be putting layers over y'all shit. That shit looks so uncomfortable. Okay, we got a lot of like dookie green. Okay. Alright. Put a little like does that shit not mix on y'all brush and like cake up on the brush, or do y'all like switch brushes all the time? Okay, all right, that's a cool color. Looks like, you know, I'm not even gonna say that. It's a YouTube channel. Okay, more green. Okay. I can't. It's an ugly ass golden tree in the background to the left, and it just keeps distracting me because it's nowhere near Christmas and there's a tree in the background. Like, anyway, okay, more green. Gotcha. All right, putting more makeup on. Okay, yeah, green with envy. Is that the one she using? I don't know. All right, it's getting dark. It's starting to look like poop. Nah, let me stop playing before she beat my ass. Okay, you gonna lighten it up with the what you call? Oh, look at that little line up there. She kind of messed up a little bit, didn't she? I thought you were supposed to put foundation on once. I don't know shit about makeup. I don't even know what I'm trying. By the way, the Lakers are winning the playoffs right now. Okay. Alrighty, more makeup, more green on top of that. Okay, a little lighter green. Okay, offset. Bad bitch. Those two greens don't match. I don't understand. Okay, we got glitter. We got different kinds of glitter. Put some glitter up there. Why the tip of that brush so damn tiny, bro? Like, alrighty. So she's just outlining it with some shiny shit and make it pop. Is it me or are the pictures in the background kind of crooked? Anyway, she's putting mascara on her eyelashes. Okay. Why do all women make that face when they're on the camera? Like they try to push their nose down and make their lips pop more. Like that. I know that's just how. Okay, she's putting on eyelashes now. She got H2O proof. Waterproof eye pointy stuff. Okay, she looks cute now. And now she's wiping the makeup off. Like, what the fuck? That defeats the whole purpose. Okay, she got two different pasty, I don't know, and a big ass blue sponge she's putting it on. Okay. Looks like you're sweating. Alright, another brush. Get it around those eyebrows. Yeah, color that hairline in, and you know, goddamn well. The color way too light. Looks like your face gonna melt. What the fuck? The end result is amazing. Okay, so she's putting powder over the other makeup. Okay. Got another Fit Me. More makeup. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry, those crooked pictures in the background are really throwing me off. It's the fact that they're not super crooked, but they're crooked enough to where it catches your eye. Like, they're only off by like half a centimeter, but like, just I noticed that. Okay, another brush, and she used powder nose. See that face women make where they try to poke their lips out? Okay, she's lining her lips. Okay, with a, look like a number 2 pencil. Okay, she stole that from elementary school, obviously. Okay. Again, back to the crooked pictures. Okay, she has red lipstick now. She's notorious for getting lipstick on her teeth, by the way. I think she bites it when the camera's off. I understand it looks good. It looks delicious, but you probably shouldn't eat it. And there's that ugly ass tree again in the background. It's a cone. It's supposed to be a tree, but it's just a golden cone. Okay, she's back to another palette. Looks like a seashell. She's putting it on her nose. Make her nose shiny, I guess. Yeah. Alrighty. And notice how the pictures in the back are still crooked. Nobody decided to stop the camera to go fix those pictures. Okay. Okay, makeup is done. She blinks slow and pokes her lips out again, like that's gonna entice the crowd. She put more green up under the bottom eyelid to make it pop a little more. And she makes these videos and she goes right back to wipe the makeup off. It's a waste of money, but she pays for it, so I can't say that. Okay, here we go with the face. More mascara on the eyelashes. Alrighty, more mascara. And there goes the face. Look, watch, and look up. Oh!
And as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.